Our event for today is the induction and chartering of additional two clubs of Southern Tagalog Region 14. The Majestic Elite Eagles Club and of course, the Influencers Elite Eagles Club.
Mabuhay ang Agila!
Mabuhay ang Agila!
To our kuyas, ates, pinso, friends of all Eagles, welcome to chartering and induction of Majestic Elite Eagles Club and Filipinas Elite Influencers Eagles Club.
Applicants, you shall now become bona fide Eagle members or so-called Kuya and Ate. At this juncture, I shall charge you with your duties, responsibilities, and obligation of being an Eagle.
To carry and pursue the ideals of the Philippine Eagles, to hereby solemnly make oath.
This time, eto na, nag-charter na tayo. Masaya na tayo lahat, okay na. Thank you rin sa lahat na nandito.
Lagi niyong tatandaan na magpasok natin dito sa Aguilar. 3 T's, time, talent, treasure. Hindi natin kailangan ng sobrang pera. Basta you have the desire to help people, ay nararapat ka na dito. Mabuhay ang Agila! Mabuhay ang Agila!
I dutifully turn over this golden eagle as a symbol of responsibility, authority to govern the Majestic Elite Eagles Club of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles.
Ako po ay nagpapasalamat at ngayon mayroon kaming charter ng dalawang bagong club.
Mabuhay ang Agila! Mabuhay ang Agila! Mabuhay ang Agila! Mabuhay ang Agila!
Pilipinas Elite Influencer Eagles Club! Mabuhay Agila!
Mabuhay ang Agila!
Mabuhay ang Agila!
With my fraternity, with my club, and with my fellow Eagles. So help me God.
We are STR 14. Mabuhay ang Agila!
Mabuhay ang Agila!